Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to simply show you on how to enable dark mode in Yahoo Mail app. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Yahoo Mail app. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top side. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then you have to simply scroll down and make sure you go to dark mode. Then right here, you want to switch to dark mode right here. So click on this button and in a few seconds, everything changed to dark mode. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply enable dark mode in Yahoo Mail on your mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.